All right, here we need to classify the lines as parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So in number 3, y equals negative 5x plus 10, that's already in y equals mx plus b slope-intercept form, and we can see that the slope is negative 5. So remember that parallel lines have the same slope, and perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So for 5y minus x equals 20, let's get that in y equals mx plus b form. So let's add x to both sides. When we do that, we get that 5y is equal to x plus 20. And now we're going to divide all three terms by 5 to get y by itself. So we're going to divide by 5 here, here, and here. So these 5s make a giant 1. So we get y equals, remember there's a 1 in front of this x, we just don't write it. So this is 1/5 x plus 4. So here in this equation that we just put into slope-intercept form, our slope is 1/5, and in the first equation our slope was negative 5. 1/5 and negative 5 are opposite reciprocals, so here our lines are perpendicular. Alright, number 4, we have two equations that are both in standard form. So 4x minus 2y equals 10 and 6x minus 3y equals 15. So when you have that, the easiest thing to do is just to go on Desmos and graph them. So here you can see I already have 4x minus 2y equals 10 graphed in blue. And then in red, I'm going to graph 6x minus 3y equals 15. And you're going to watch what happens. Wow, our lines are directly on top of each other. So these lines, these two equations, are actually equivalent. They're two different ways of writing the same equation. So the answer here is neither. They are not parallel or perpendicular.